Alright, quick compare and contrast on the old head and the new head here. The old head has just the drill in for the injector. There's a spot on top that never had a 6th head bolt in it, but could have had a head bolt in it. So the old head had 6 locations, but only 5 head bolts installed. The new head only has 4 locations. And the new injector covers the top location, and they didn't put the bottom one in because they moved the intake and exhaust to the bottom of the head instead of intake on one side and exhaust on the other. So and then let's see what else. The inside shape looks about the same though, so they did not recontour the head on the inside for the combustion chamber. But they did change, and they only have four head bolts on the new head.